Bonjour beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn French with Adhya. Today in this video I'm back with another fun stuff, which is revision of numbers. I'm pretty sure you remember that we have done numbers various times, time to time, but I feel like it's been so long since we have done numbers and yeah, there's something important. So yeah, I mean, we have some huge numbers to deal with today, but remember that they're really easy. They're just huge in, through naked eyes. Yeah? Now, let's get started. The first question that we have is write these numbers in figures. So we have the words, and now to figure out which numbers they are. Okay. So we have a son. So I feel like it's really easy. Son, century is in cricket. So whenever a cricketer or a batsman does century, it's like 100 runs, right? So that's what son here is, 100. Okay, easy to remember. We have a trick here. Then we have demi. So demi is 2000. I think if I figure out this one, then C is really easy to figure out. Me, so if demi is 2000, which is like me into 2, right? So demi, like 2 times me. So me is gonna be 1000, right? Then D is 3500. So 3000, that's like 3000. And 500, son is 100. And now if I did 5 times so, that means 5 into 100. I think that's pretty easy. It's 500. So 3000 plus 500 is 3500. I think the biggest thing is that you need to know the numbers in French and then the trick of how to handle them, and then everything is easy. There's nothing really much complicated. It looks big, but it's so simple. 3500. Okay, now 4013. So 4000, that's like 4000. Now 13 is a very easy number. It's 13. So what do you think it's gonna be? It's gonna be 4000 plus 13. So that's 4013 or 4013. 6312. Sorry. So 6000 is 6000. 300, which is 312, is 12. So 6312. If you simply just translate them into English, you already got your answer. So if I say, okay, 6300, and we have 12, so 6312. Easy peasy. Okay, now we have write these numbers in words. So it's like vice versa of this exercise. We have 1100, easy. So 1100, how would we break this down? You know, I think that's what we did as kids. When we had huge numbers, we would break them down. So over here, this is 1000 plus 100. So we have mi, son. So remember, usually in French, just like in English, I guess, you write the bigger number first. It won't be son mi, but it will be mi son. Okay? Then we have 2500. So what do you think that's going to be? 2000 plus 500. Quite similar to what we did here, okay? So over here we have 12,500, so because it was 3,500. Now if we have 2,500 over here, so rather than having 12, we will have de. So de mi 500. Okay? Now over here, what do we have? 4,620. So if I break it down, it's 4,000 plus 600 plus 20. So what's So what's 4,000? 4,000 is 4,000. Okay? 600 is 600. And 20 is 1. Simple. So 4,601. So 100, 2,000, 3,500, 4,013, 6,312, 1,100, 2,500, 4,620. That's it. That was so easy. I think I'm going to do a part 2 of this because doing this was super fun. Numbers are always so fun to deal with, right? If you know the tricks, then yeah. So I hope you learned something in this video. And if there's any trick or something you want to know about in numbers, make sure to comment down below and I'll be happy to answer any doubt. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and ring the bell icon to get updated every time I upload a new video. I'll see you guys next time. Till then, take care and bye-bye. Au revoir.